In this video, we'll be diving into SSIS, integration services. We'll create a new project and just add a simple execute SQL task to it. So let's go to new project. And under business intelligence, we'll do integration services and just give it a name. Click OK. Now we can close out a few of these windows here. And when we look at the Solution Explorer, we see that we have our basic setup and one default empty package, which is where we will add our execute SQL task to and just show this example of how this works. In this example, we'll be using this execute SQL task to simply create two tables and insert a couple values. But another really common scenario is to use this component to actually get a result set. So you'll query your database and then use that result set to do further transformations and pass it along through the rest of the package. When we look at the existing tables, just to confirm that they are empty, we see nothing comes back. So back into integration services, we just drag and drop this task onto the canvas, double click, and here's the editor. We want to add a new connection. In this case, it will be our OLEDB connection. And type in your database server. For me, it's demo. And then we'll be able to see our specific databases as well. I'll be using staging, test connection, and click OK. So we're all good. And now this is a saved connection that we can reuse at other points as well. Here's where we enter the actual SQL query. So for us, it's again this create and insert table logic here. So copy and paste this in here. Click OK. So now let's rename this, give it something a little more meaningful. We'll just call it Create DB Tables. Save. And now let's execute this and we'll see what happens and what the result is in our actual SQL server. So we ran this, it executed that SQL script. Now if we check these tables again, we'll see that that was created and inserted values, and this one was created with nothing in it, which is what we wanted. So there's a lot of things we can do with this, but we'll leave it here for now, and thanks for watching.